Hello kids, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to solve this equation and get their x and y values. So let's see. So first writing the first given, that is equal to 2x minus 3y divided by 4 equal to 3. Now there I'm going to take the LCM. So LCM is 4. Then 4 dividing by 1, 4 comes, and here 4 multiplied with 2x. So this is now 8x. And there 4 divided by 4, 1 come, 1 multiplied with 3. So this here 3y equal to 3. Now do their cross multiplication. So we can write here 8x minus 3y equal to, so this here 4 that's come there, 4 into 3 that's come there 12. Assume equation 1. And now next given is given 5x 2y plus 7 equal to plus 7. So this 2y moving on the right side. So we can write here 5x minus 2y equal to 7. Assume the second equation. Now here you can see 3y and minus 2y. So removing the y part first. So in equation 1, if I multiply with 2, and there if I multiply with 3, so this come there minus 6y, here minus 6y. Then subtract, then easily get the x value. So here writing multiplying equation 1 with 2 and 2 with 3. So we can write here 2, then 8x minus 3y, then 2 into 12. Or we can write here 16x minus 6y, this here 24. So 24 that's come there. Assume this is equation 4. So first, second, this here third. And next here you can see this place 3 multiplying. So 3, then 5x minus 2y, then 3 into 7. So 3 into 5, 15x minus 6y, and 3 into 2, 3 into 7, 21, that's come there. As in equation 4. Now you can see minus 6y, that's come there. Simply need to subtract 3 and 4. So writing there, subtracting equation 3 and 4. So equation 3 is 16x minus 6y 24, and this here 15x minus 6y 21. So minus plus this minus. Minus 6y plus 6y, that cancel. 16x minus 15x, that is equal to x. And 24 minus 21, that is now 3. So x value is now 3 is the first answer. Okay, and this x value you can put on equation 1, 2. So simply putting on equation 1. So here writing putting x value in equation 1. So equation 1 is 8x minus 3y equal to 12. So this here 8, x value is now 3 minus 3y, then 12. Or we can write here 24 minus 3y 12. This moving on the right side, plus is there. So we can write here minus 3y, then 12 minus or 24. So this here minus 3y. So this that's come there or minus 12, and y equal to minus 12 divided by minus 3. So minus cancel, this cancel by 4 at a times. So y value is now 4, that's come there. So this is the answer. So x, y, the value is 3 and 4. So this is the answer of this question. This is the value of x. So by following these steps, you can easily get the answer. And the next thing is, if you follow the all steps, okay, then if the question is 10 marks, then definitely you will get the 10 marks, 10 of 10. And one time going to repeat this all. So here the equation is terms like this. So first we need to do some calculation. Then after doing the calculation here, this come there. Let's assume this is equation 1. And here this also just here this is plus 2i. So if I take left of equals, so plus that change to minus. So minus 2i, that's come there. 1, 2, now equating the y part, so that here we need to multiply 2, here 3. And after multiplying new equation third, 4. Simply subtract, then get their x value. X value you can put on equation 1 or 2. So putting on x value on equation 1, then here y value that's come there 4. So this is how we can solve this question. So I hope kids you like this video. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.